opportunities, matters and employment and avoid kind of any discriminations. Right to Equality Act, Right to Equality Article 14.
Right to right to freedom of speech and expression. Right to freedom of speech and expression. Assembly, association or union, movement, residency of right to practice any profession and occupation. All citizens shall have right to freedom of speech and expression. All right to assembly peacefully without arms, to form association, to move freely territory in India, to participate in any profession. Right to freedom. Article 19.
Right against exploitation. Right against exploitation, prohibition all forms forced labor, child labor and traffic in human beings. It is dignity for the people, for the freedom of person. Article 23 and 24. Thank you.
The freedom of religions. This indicates the secular nature of Indian policy. There is equal respect given to all religions. There is a freedom of consequence, professions and practice of religions. The state has no official religions. Every person right to freely practice of his or her faith. Articles 25 to 28. Thank you.
Cultural and education rights. These rights protect the rights of religious and linguistic minorities by facilitating and they preserve heritage and culture. Education for everyone without any discrimination. Education for ensuring Articles 29 to 30 articles.
Right to constitutional remedies. The constitutional guarantee remedies if citizens' fundamental rights are violated. The government cannot infringe upon or anyone's rights. When these rights are violated, the aggrieved party can approach the courts. Citizens can even go directly to the Supreme Court. Article 32 in Indian Constitution. These are 6 fundamental rights in Indian Constitution. Thank you.